Is want to take these two Italian girls interview. They are the gorgeous lady in India, and this guy is special for making jewelry. So these girls come to see his work, and let's see if these girls like this work. Then will be fine. Other, of course, they have to say just nice about you.
What do you want to say? I don't know about
Nice to
that.
meet you.
Okay, thank you for inviting us here. Really nice place to stay here. I'm very happy for that. And I'm here on the camera. I can see the camera. It's so weird. I have to talk in the camera, by the way. My name is Laura. So nice, guys, to see all the.
recommends to tourists like how this work and everything.
You work really hard. I don't know how you work like that. For me, it's so weird to see that this time you work it.
Any tourist come, please.
And I hope you're happy because I don't know if for me it's weird to stay here, but I like the view. I like your vibes, so I'm happy. That's it.
Yeah.
Like yeah.
Yeah, so came also to visit this amazing place and to meet these amazing people and
Smiley.
and Smiley, of course.
I'm Smiley. She's
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, if we are here, it's thank you for Smiley and
Smiley guy.
yeah, we are also Smiley girls. So bye and come.
Come on, this way.
Come.
All tourists come, you have good feeling here.
Good feeling, good vibes. Come.
Thank you.
Sit with Bisma.
And here,
Is a
You want to sit next to you?
yeah,
Or you will?
come.
interview. I have them put this say something about whatever you want to say.
তো ফাইনাল দোস্ত কথা বলে চলে আসলাম এসে যা বললো আমি তো কিছু সেরকম বুঝতে পারলাম না, যা পারলাম আমি তো সব তো ইংরেজি বুঝছি না, সেরকম পড়াশোনা করি না, তাহলে কি করে জানবো। তো যা বললো আপনারা বুঝতে পারলে হবে। ঠিক আছে দোস্ত, ভালো থাকবেন, ভিডিওটা এই পর্যন্তই। ঠিক আছে, ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকবেন, টাটা, বাই বাই, দেখা হচ্ছে আবার নতুন একটা ভিডিওতে।